Ever wondered how to save an extra $5,000 in a year? It may seem like a lofty goal, but with some strategic steps, it's entirely possible. Firstly, consider splitting your tax refund 40-40-20. Allocate 40% of it to paying off your debts or bills, 40% into a high-yield savings account, and use the remaining 20% for a small treat. Secondly, if you're receiving a direct deposit paycheck, split it. Dedicate $100 from each paycheck directly into your savings account. The rest can cover your regular monthly expenses. Thirdly, if you receive a raise at work, resist the urge to inflate your lifestyle. Instead, commit to saving at least half of any additional net income. Mid-year, take a moment to assess your savings progress. If you're falling behind, consider bringing in extra income. This could be through a side hustle, like dog walking or freelance writing. Another strategy is to have a garage sale. This is a great way to declutter and make some quick cash. Next, take a look at your monthly subscriptions. Cancel anything you don't really use or need, and negotiate better rates where possible. Convenience spending can also be a drain on your finances. Consider packing your lunch rather than eating out, and resist those daily splurges. Try having a no-spend week. This is a week where you avoid non-essential purchases. At the end of the week, any money you would have spent can go straight into savings. Another tip is to use cash only for necessities. The physical act of handing over cash makes you more aware of what you're spending. Finally, track your progress. Seeing your savings grow can be a great motivator. So to recap, split your tax refund, split your direct deposit, save half of any raises, bring in extra income if needed, have a garage sale, cancel unused subscriptions, stop convenient spending, have a no-spend week, use cash only, and track your progress. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to saving an extra $5,000 in a year. It's not as daunting as it may seem, and the financial freedom it brings is well worth the effort.